Hello everybody, this is the central locking system for the Gypsy. You can see the 4 guns present here, which are for the Gypsy mainly. This is the control module and this is the real fascinating key. So you have the features of the alarm, the sound cut, the door opening, the door lock, and a very sophisticated and very yet simple trendy looking design key lock, key remote for our Gypsy. This comes with the siren also in it. These are the fixing wires, the relays, all of that in a kit. You get these screws, bolts, nuts, everything, and the clamps, all the door switches as well. You can see these are the door switches. You can press them. So these are the door switches also available for the Gypsy now. And it's a complete remote kit. It has a 3-year warranty in it. The warranty features covers all over India, and there are many features to this thing. You can know that there's a door alarm. You can cut off the sound, make the sound. You have a ignition alarm, so as and when someone tries to direct the ignition, this is basically a security system as well as the central locking system, which helps you gain better security over our soft top Gypsies, because we have got many people telling us that soft top Gypsy is not safe. So this is the model where the ignition alarm, when once connected without the key, can start giving you the siren or the beep. And there's a stereo alarm as well. So the stereo system, we know many people in their open Gypsies, they have the risk of losing their stereos. Then you have the door open on the drive. So we have seen this feature in new generation cars wherein the door is open and the siren beeps out. So this feature is there in this particular siren as well, because that's in Gypsy. We know that the passenger door or any other door might be open. So if this is connected in the right way, you can get that alarm to your system as well. The reverse siren as usual. And then there's the ignition door auto lock. So when you sit inside your Gypsy and for 10 seconds, if your vehicle is you're inside and you start the ignition, the door automatically locks. So this auto lock function is very, very important for child safety, for child lock, so that you get to know, once you're inside the vehicle, your doors are secure, you're secured. So this is a very good indeed product by Torque. It has a 3-year warranty. The warranty is mentioned on the box as well. It says 3-year warranty all over India. This carries an MRP of, you can see here, this carries an MRP of 6,000 rupees. It is a completely made in India product. It's not Chinese. Support Make in India. Get this to your Gypsy. Enjoy the ride. Thank you.